mangyari ang iyong diwa sa langit at sa lupa. Bigyan mo ng sapat ang lahat sa araw-araw. Turuan dakilang may likha sa kalingat pang-unawa, mangyari ang iyong diwa sa langit at sa lupa. Bigyan mo ng sapat ang lahat sa araw-araw. Turuang magparaya gaya ng iyong gawa. Iadyan niyo kami sa pagmamataas upang maiwaksi ang lupit at dahas, at samahang lumikha ng pamayanan payapa sa kalikasan, kabuhayan, kakanyahan, paniniwala.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa dikit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mo pagaw, ay hinatang tula, kawin sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magtitindig. Luman ang araw ng walhagin pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang hindi kaya na pagkay mga aking, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Metro Health Specialist Hospital. He also plays a key role in shaping future health professionals as a faculty member at the 𝐸𝐸 State University College of Health and Sciences for the nursing and midwifery programs. Let us all give a warm round of applause to Dr. 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐤𝐸𝐿.
Judge number 2 is a visionary businesswoman and a passionate community leader. She actively serves in multiple leadership roles as the District Executive Secretary and District Governor nominee of Rotary International District 3820. She is a member of the Board of Directors of the Philippine Red Cross and the Philippine Chamber of Commerce 𝐸𝐸 Chapter, a member of the Police Advisory Group for Police Transformation and Development, and a recipient of the National Award under the Special Individual category for exemplary service and civic leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Japs Prado Calios.
Our next judge is the Regional Marketing Head of Computer Communications Development Institute 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐴, CCDI 𝐸𝐸's National Marketing Officer, the Chairman of Rotary Club of Metro 𝐸𝐸, the former Regional Private Schools Athletic Association Region 5 President, and the present National President of PRISAA. A round of applause for Mr. Edgar Carino Balasta.
Judge number 4 is a passionate and people-focused leader who currently serves as a city councilor of East District, Sorsogon City. She heads key committees that focus on social services, women, children, LGBTQIA+, and family welfare, while leading efforts in public health and sanitation as Vice Chair of the Health Committee. As President of the Lady Local Legislators League of the Philippines Incorporated in Sorsogon and the Bicol Region Chapter, she proudly represents women in leadership and inclusive local governance. Today, she joins us not just a public servant, but as one of the esteemed judges for Mr. and Miss Regional Hospital Week 2025, bringing with her a heart for service and a passion for community. Please welcome Honorable Maria Teresa Amor Gonzalez.
Judge number 5 is a man of passion and a dedicated public servant who has been serving the country for 21 years. He acquired his baccalaureate degree at San Beda College and Aquinas University of Legazpi, now known as UST Legazpi. and his postgraduate courses at UP Diliman and Ateneo de Manila University. He was previously a municipal councilor and mayor of the municipality of Santo Domingo, Albay, where he was a Gawad Kalasag Hall of Famer in response to effective disaster mitigation and response, and is dubbed as the father of the Sarumbanggi Festival. He was appointed as the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism Regional Office 5 in 2021 and was awarded by the Dangal ng Bayang Filipino as the 2021 Outstanding Public Servant of the Year. He participated in various national and international expos, including the ITB 2024 in Berlin, Germany last March 2024, Diving Equipment and Marketing Association Show in Las Vegas last November 2024, as well as the Salon de la Plongée Sous Marine Dive Show in Paris, France, and the Diving Equipment and Marketing Association Show in New Orleans, USA last 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Herbie Aguas.
Ladies and gentlemen, your candidates in their production number.
Me tratas como una princesa y me das lo que pido. Tú tienes el bate y la fuerza que yo necesito. Cuando estamos solos te juro no me falta nada. Te pongo un 13 de 10 cuando estamos en la cama. Nunca había sentido algo tan grande y me vuelve loca a tu lado salvaje. Tú me has dado tanto que he estado pensando, ya lo tengo todo. Pero, ¿y el anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? Huele como me gusta, me besas como me gusta, me agarras como me gusta, sigue así que a mí me gusta, como muerde la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, sin mapa conoces la ruta, así que me gusta, sigue aquí, papi estoy pa' ti, dale atrás, que así somos las del Bronx, don't stop, muévete más, que sigue la fiesta conmigo nomás, no pierdas el enfoque, papi quiere la clase, cuando apenas la toque, un ron con 3 envases. Nunca había sentido algo tan grande y me vuelve loca a tu lado salvaje. Tú me has dado tanto que he estado pensando, ya lo tengo todo. Pero, ¿y el anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? ¿El anillo pa' cuándo? No te pido nada, yo no soy mujer regala, ponte en eso ya, si no papi, echa pa' allá, oh, tú sabes que yo tengo lo que no tienen otras, cuando muevo mi cuerpo, el tuyo se alborota, las mujeres sabemos lo que nos toca, si quieren todo esto, que nos pongan la roca, nunca había sentido algo tan grande y me vuelve loca a tu lado. anillo pa' cuando? It's not like I have more jewelry. ¿Y el anillo pa' cuando? ¿Y el anillo pa' cuando? ¿Y el anillo pa' cuando? Me gusta verme bailar. ¿Y el anillo pa' cuando?
Eliza May Sabido,
Fulfrano Ricafort III, Bicol Medical Center.
Gillian Garbin,
Kim Patrick Professor, Legazpi City Hospital.
Laurelyn Bercilia,
Mac Brian Credo Bisunya, representing Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center.
Criza Mika Di Mesa,
John Niesel Mendoza, proudly representing ACE Medical Center Legazpi.
Carlene Guerrero Badoy,
Angelo Calingacion Purisima, Malinaw Treatment and Rehabilitation Center.
Lauren Lucena Maestrado, Sorsogon MMG Hospital and Health Services Cooperative.
Georgina Perez Nervades,
Rico Hervacio de Guzman, representing Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center.
With heart and pride for serbisyong salud Bicolnon, I'm K. Arcelia Gavido.
Empowered by compassion, this is your doctor to the barrio, Oscar Marie Jean Agustin Estillier, DOH Bicol, CHD!
Denise David,
Christian Ray Alamil,
proud
honored
and dignified
to represent Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
Joshua Manalastas,
Bisho
Sorsogon!
Nicole Orobio Torres,
Earl John Fabrizio Casim, all the way from Zone Medical Intervention Hospital Incorporated, Ligao City, Province of Albay.
At this moment, we shall be presenting our first set of minor awards, starting off with the People's Choice Award. Our People's Choice awardees were selected via our Facebook page, and our winners for People's Choice Awards are male candidate number 8 and female candidate number 4. The next award is Mr. and Miss Photogenic. Our Mr. and Miss Photogenic were chosen exclusively by Dual Exposure Event Management. And our Mr. Photogenic is candidate number 10. Our Miss Photogenic is candidate number 1. Up next is the Best in Production Number. Our winners for the Best in Production Number were chosen exclusively by our official choreographers. And our winners for Best in Production Number for Mr. and Miss Bicol Regional Hospital 2025 are male candidate number 3 and female candidate number 1. Congratulations and thank you, candidates. Thank you, candidates. At this juncture, let us all listen to the message of a proud Sorsogueño whose roots have shaped his deep sense of purpose in public service and healthcare leadership. A proud alumni of Centro Escolar University and the University of Perpetual Help College of Medicine, he completed his residency training in general surgery at Bicol Medical Center, where he would later rise through the ranks to assume key leadership positions. He also holds a master's degree in hospital administration from St. Jude College, Manila, and is a fellow of several esteemed organizations, underscoring his strong foundation in healthcare management. His leadership track includes serving as Assistant Director for Medical Services at the Universidad de Santa Isabel Health Services Department and as Chairman of the Department of Surgery at NICC Doctors Hospital, St. John Hospital, and Universidad de Santa Isabel. At Bicol Medical Center, he was also designated as chairperson of the Patient Safety Committee, advocating for quality, accountability, and safety in hospital systems. On January 28, 2022, he was appointed as the 14th Medical Center Chief 2 of Bicol Medical Center. Since then, he has been at the forefront of BMC's transformation as a patient-centered, highly specialized premier tertiary institution in the region, advancing both medical excellence and responsive public health care. A servant leader and a man for others, he leads with dedication and unwavering commitment to delivering quality healthcare services, anchored on the core values of integrity, commitment, and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Ronnie Gregorio Berba Higantone III.
To Governor Boboy Amor, to our Vice Governor June Escudero, to the Sangguniang Panaliwigan, and our Mayor Esther Amor of the City of Sorsogon, to Dr. Rimpilio, our DOH Regional Director, to the judges of this pageant, and the medical center chiefs and chief of hospitals of various hospitals in Region 5. Maray nabanggi po sa Indugabos. And welcome again to my province, Sorsogon. Sorsoganon din po ako. Hindi po ako pinangaki sa Sorsogon. And I'm very proud of being a Sorsoganon, serving all Bicolanos. And also, I saw the province have grown to Argaguantan as it is right now. And today, this week, this is the culminating activity of the Hospital Week of Health Servants. We took our break from our regular chores in the hospital just to show our talents, to showcase the talents of the medical in the medical field. So marami pong talented na mga individual po sa hospitals, sa Department of Health. At marami din po magaganda at mga poging doktor at doktora at mga nurses. And tonight, in behalf of the Department of Health, I thank the province of Sorsogon, the leadership of our dear Governor, Boboy Amor, the City Mayor of Sorsogon. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik po sa aming lahat dito. And to all the men and women of the Department of Health, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo dito sa aktibidad na to. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. At alam ko, interested na po kayo kung sino mananalo sa ating pagpapagandahan, pagpapapugihan ng ating mga empleyado. And tonight, thank you everyone for having us. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Dr. Ronnie Gregorio Berba Higantone III.
C'est d'abord Vamos que c'est là Tout de direitinho assim ó Vai Vamos lá, vai Shake your body baby só pra mim
Let us all welcome back our candidates in their sports attire.
Aprendeu direitinho Tipo assim E aí Rebola, rebola, bola, 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 rebola. Dale aí. I need you to focus, watch me throw it back. So much body, you want it so bad. If I
Ladies and gentlemen, your hosts, Miss Maricris Digo Labayandoy and Mr. Glenn Labasentes.
Diyos marhay na banggi sa Indo, Bicolanos! And welcome to Sorsogon City.
Yes, welcome to Sorsogon and welcome to all who are present here for the Bicol Regional Hospital Week 2025.
Wow, Mary Chris, I think I would be needing a doctor because after that performance tonight, it just took my breath away.
And you know what? I think I will need a nurse to see if I still have a heartbeat after all that sizzle.
Well, the doctors and nurses are right at the backstage, and we can't expect them to help us out. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request everyone to give it up once more for our stunning Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025 candidates. Another big, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, and of course tonight they will not be holding scalpels or stethoscopes, but rather they will be holding the stage. And didn't they own it, Glenn?
Absolutely, Mary Chris. They just did that. And from the emergency room to the runway, our candidates have just proven that they can save lives, and not just that, can also serve looks.
And by the way, tonight is not going to be about vital signs, dear doctors and nurses. It's going to be about vital style, grace, and intelligence.
Wow, I really love what you said, Mary Chris. And of course, tonight, we also give our utmost thanks to all of those people, the fans, the supporters, who came all the way from the different parts of the Bicol region just to support their candidates.
And can we hear again a round of applause from everyone present here tonight, please? Naku, mukhang mahina. Can we hear all of Bicol region, please? There you go. And by the way, we'd also like to say hi and to acknowledge, of course, all the heads of the Bicol Regional Hospitals present this evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and we hope you guys are enjoying, but don't worry, you guys will be enjoying even more as the night progresses.
In fact, Akis, tonight we won't just be amazed by the beauty, by the handsomeness, and the intelligence that our doctors and nurses are actually going to show to us tonight, but we will be amazed as well by the advocacy that they have for all of us.
So the candidates that you've seen a while ago, other than their beauty, their glitz, and their glamour, they also bring with them on stage their advocacies. And right now, Glenn?
That's right, Mary Chris. And so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at their advocacy videos.
To truly achieve universal healthcare, we must also focus surgical access for all, educate Bicolanos, detect cases, and support local and national programs led by BMC and PCS. For Bicolanos, surgery is not a privilege, it is a right.
As a healthcare provider, I witnessed the toll of preventable diseases, but also the hope. With education and early action, we can strengthen accessible prevention, where every Filipino understands that caring for our bodies today means securing a stronger and healthier tomorrow.
Urog na day kita nahihiling ka mga tao, pero sa likod kang lambang ladawan, ikwaning sarong radtek arog ko, na nagtatrabaho nin bilog na puso asing may katanusan. Ang sakong advokasya, iyon natauanin boses asin halaga, ang mga day nahihiling na hero, kang mga diferensya sa hawa.
Nagtitindog ako, digding ngunyan, tanganing sabihon. Ang puso kan salud, kang komunidad, iyo ang mga healthcare workers. Kung sinda inaataman, mas makusog ang satong pag-ataman.
I am an advocate for mental health. Remember that you are not alone. Your struggles are valid and help is always within reach. Let's break the stigma and embrace healing one step at a time.
HIV doesn't define who you are, but knowing your status does. Get tested, stay informed, and break the stigma. Protect yourself and others. HIV awareness starts with you.
As a registered pharmacist, I strongly advocate for accessibility to safe, quality, and effective medicines. When we make medicines and healthcare accessible, we don't just treat illness, we empower lives.
As a registered medical technologist, my advocacy is centered on promoting professional recognition and visibility for our vital role in healthcare.
We are the unsung heroes of healthcare.
Working in a rehab center taught me that recovery isn't just about treatment, it's about second chances. Let's break the stigma, choose compassion, and believe in change. Because healing starts with understanding.
Recovery is possible, hope is real. Addiction is not a moral failure, it's a health issue. Every person deserves a chance of healing and a life free from stigma. Let's support rehabilitation not just as treatment, but as a journey of transformation.
Donning their hospital uniform. Give it up once more for our candidates for Mr. and Miss Bicol Regional Hospital 2025.
Look at me, look at me, look at me,
Look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I don't care about your modern time preacher. Welcome boys, too much noise, I will teach ya. Pum pum po, rum pum po. Hey, I think you forgot how to play. My teddy bear's running away. The Barbie got something to say. Hey, 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 hey. My summer says leave me alone. I'm taking my Pikachu home. You're stupid just like you're smart. Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget. You're divine and he's about to regret. He's a bakak 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 bakak
candidates in their hospital uniform.
Very honorable looking, very decent doctors, nurses, and healthcare providers of the Bicol region.
And I bet you would have to agree that they did wear their uniforms with dignity tonight. Kaya naman muli, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga candidates on stage right now. Ayan, there you go. Kailangan ng mga applause na yan because at this point, Glenn, we will be doing the preliminary question and answer portion. Now, to just give you a glimpse of how our question and answer portion will go, our candidates will be picking a hashtag. Ayan, at kailangan nilang ma-discuss yung hashtag na yon in 1 minute or 60 seconds.
Yes, that's right. So we have to show all the support that we can give to our candidates because I know that this is going to be a nerve-wracking moment for
I
all of them.
believe so, Glenn. But of course, again, we'd like to remind everybody that while our candidates are talking or answering, please reserve your applause after they answer. Is that okay? Yes, very
That should
good.
be okay.
Thank you
All right.
so much.
So we need a total silence as we go about the question and answer portion.
And so without any further ado, let's welcome with us our candidate number 1 for the male category. Hello, sir. From what hospital are you?
I'm from Bicol Medical Center.
Wow.
Dr. Jericho, if there's any message that you'd like to give to your supporters, what message would that be?
Thank you for staying with us since day one. We could not have done it without you. Thank you.
Wow. And I bet you're ready for your hashtag. So let's now call our assurate so you can start picking kung ano ang hashtag na sasagutan ni Doc Ricafort. And please pick a card. Aba.
Take a deep breath.
And let's open it. You have hashtag number 6. Hashtag number 6 is equitable access of health.
One of the core values or the core for me of universal healthcare is the ability to reach out. So in order to give a solution to the equitable access to health, we must mobilize from purok to barangays to utilize the current modern technology, the telemedicine, the social media, to educate and to give more to our doctors to the barrios. One will not be able to achieve true universal health care if there is still inequity. So let us bridge the gap. Wake up, let us be involved. Thank you.
Thank you so I was moved by your answer. Thank you so much. Dr. Ricafort, you can go back to your place over
Thank you
there
very much,
as
Doc.
we...
Bridging the gap. I like that.
Yes. Now let's call in our candidate number 1 for the female.
Hi, Nurse Eliza May. Eliza May. All right. Nurse, if there's one message that I'd like to leave out for your supporters here tonight, kindly do it.
To our supporters all the way from Camarines Sur, Bicol Medical Center, they have been also supportive since day one. Up until now, they're here, even they're running out of voice from cheering from all the competitions that has happened for the past days. They're still here with us.
All right, so it's time to pick your hashtag question. This is hashtag number 6. Hashtag know your status.
Number 6, know your status. This hashtag is a reminder for everyone of a powerful message that health is still our greatest wealth. And knowing your HIV status is the first step towards taking control of your own life. This hashtag is also about destigmatizing HIV, because in this generation right now, we have to take action on our own health and make sure that there is already a safe testing centers all over the region and to the whole nation, because knowing your status is not just about proving that you are healthy, but also reaching out to the people that it is a probably act of love, not just for yourself, for the whole community and to the whole region. Let us all achieve universal healthcare by reaching and knowing your status. Thank you very much and good evening.
Very well said. Thank you very much. Candidate number two.
All right, let's move on to our candidate number 2 from the male category. And we have, again, can you tell us where you're from, please?
I'm from Legazpi City Hospital.
Ayun. How are you feeling, Doc? Doc or nurse? Or...
Radtech.
Ayan. Radtech, si sir. How are you feeling right now? Do you need some checkup?
Kinda happy but nervous at the same time.
All right, so let's
pretty
quit
natural.
the dilly-dallyings. Let's have our usher it. And again, you go pick your hashtag. You have 1 minute to answer. And your hashtag is hashtag number 4. That's hashtag end contractualization in health.
Hashtag end contractualization in health. As a Radtech in our institution and having the same contract of service, I've witnessed a limited workload for those people or health worker that want to serve more to our people. That is why I believe to have a fairly contract that we can be freely give some quality service and healthcare to our people. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 2. Thank you. Now let's move on with our candidate number 2 for the female category.
Hello, nurse. Okay. I would like you to send out a message to your supporters out there. Say hi or anything.
Hi sa LCH!
Take a deep breath, okay? Now, may we please have the hashtag? Your hashtag candidate number 2 is hashtag number 3, build healthy habits. Build healthy habits.
Hashtag build healthy habits. Para sa akin, oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Para sa akin ay magtulong-tulungan tayo para Oh my God. I can talaga. Para sa akin ay maging healthy lahat. And I think
You ran out
Thank
of
you
time
so
for that.
much. And by the way, pala. When all the 60 seconds is done, the microphone will be turned off. Ayan. So 1 minute lang talaga meron po ang ating mga candidates. Now let's move on to our next candidate. We have candidate number 3. Please join us over here. Aba, may pahorn. Ang anong ospital po ito?
I am from Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center.
Alright, so are you ready to answer your hashtag? Looks like you're ready, so let's have our usherette come up the stage. Ayan, pili ka lang po. And the hashtag is hashtag number 2, hashtag advocates of social justice.
Hashtag advocate for social justice. We Filipino are always, we have a traits of being able to see what is really important in life. And as a healthcare worker, I do believe that we should always think not only what is in front of us, but those who are in the marginalized one. In healthcare, we always have this issue and a problem of not having to have an access to everyone. And for me, katulad ng sabi ni Madam Lenny, kailangan may pakialam tayo sa mga nasa laylayan. And let us all be united and raise our flag that we should be one. We should have we should be collaborative and cooperative for us to achieve a greater goal, just like what our nation is always aiming to. Remember.
Thank you so much. What will we remember? We will try to think of that. When we go to sleep, let's think of what we will remember. Dahil nag-off na yung microphone. But right now, let's have our candidate number 3 for the female category.
Hi, ma'am. How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling great and proud to represent the Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center.
She's feeling proud. Wow. All right. So without further ado, let's have your hashtag, nurse. That's hashtag number 10, hashtag fuel for life. Fuel for life.
Hashtag Fewer for Life. Our lives are full of challenges and full of surprises. But as a healthcare worker, what fuels me is my patients who motivates me to become a better and more productive nurse. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 3. Let's move on with candidate number 4, male category. Hello? Again, can you tell us from what hospital you're from?
I'm from ACE Medical Center, Legazpi.
Ayun, say hi to your ACE family. So let's now have our usherette. And I hope you're ready to answer your hashtag. And you got hashtag number 8. That's hashtag Bicolano Healthcare Workers.
Hashtag Bicolano Healthcare Workers. With strength rooted in our culture and hearts, with strength rooted in our culture and hearts engraved in service, I believe that Bicolano healthcare workers are resilient, compassionate, and dedicated to their work. As one of the healthcare professionals in Bicol region, I am proud to say that I embody these values. As a pharmacist, I always make sure that I put the welfare and safety of my patients at the center of my work. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 4. Now let's have our lady over here.
I'm from East Medical Center, Legazpi.
Is there anyone in specific you'd like to say thanks to?
I'm with my parents right now, and I'm so thankful for their support.
Oh, hello po. This is hashtag number 5. Hashtag mental health matters.
Hashtag mental health matters. As a registered medical technologist who also battles with mental health struggles, I deeply understand the importance of not just physical, but also emotional well-being. Let us normalize open conversations, especially in those underserved communities. Because I believe healing starts with honesty, and change begins when we no longer feel the need to be silenced. With that, we can help others to live well and live with hope. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I see proud parents over there. Thank you so much.
We're all delighted.
Candidate number 4. Now
And
let's
now
have
we
candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5.
Hello,
Hi, sir.
sir. What about you? Where you're from?
Good evening, everyone. I'm from Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center.
All right. So are you ready to answer your hashtag? Because our usher here is ready to give you the options. Go ahead and pick one. And our candidate number 5 got hashtag number 10. That's hashtag resilience patronage.
Okay. Good evening, each and everyone, especially to the judges, audience, and guests. Hashtag resilience patronage. Being resilient is that when we are ready for every risk that might happen in our life, especially here in the Philippines, that we experience climate change, environmental problems, storms, and other issues, environmental, man-made, or environmental. So as Filipinos, as a healthcare worker, I advocate each and everyone, not just to all of us here in the crowd, but also to the younger generation, that all of us should be one, should be united, and help each other towards any crisis that might come to our life. Because I believe, and at the end of the way, when all of us here in the Philippines, especially in the country Philippines, all of us are being united, successful innovations, plans would become true. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate
po.
number 5. Now let's
Now we
have
proceed with the female candidate number 5. Nurse Arcos. Hello, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling nervous right now, but I'm feel excited as well po.
Good. Now let's have your hashtag. This is hashtag number 2. Hashtag it's okay not to be okay.
Good evening, everyone, especially to our beloved judges, audience, and guests here tonight. Hashtag it's okay not to be okay. In this generation, we experience a lot of situations that causes stress, anxiety, or what they called in a darkest side. But as a healthcare worker, I do believe that everyone should feel loved. I encourage everyone that they need
to seek help so that in order for us to overcome any challenges, we need to overcome ourselves and seek for help. Because at the end of the day, we have family, friends, and especially God who are always there to guide us and who will feel us safe. That could be all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa'yo.
Thank you so much. Now, moving on, we have candidate number 6.
Our sole candidate number 6. Is there anyone in particular you'd like to say hi to?
Hello everyone, especially to my supporters out there. Hello SMMG Hospital! Thank you for supporting. Hashtag leave no one behind. This means about inclusivity, that we need to portray equal respect and encourage everyone to be better from their own ways regarding of what type of color you have or where you from or what you believe in life. Let this be an avenue for us to be loving and kind, because we have a lot of different battles, and so that in that way everyone will feel valued and welcome. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 6.
So much.
Again, that hashtag was hashtag leave no one behind.
Now let's have candidate number 7. Hello, sir. Again, tell us where you're from.
From Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center.
From Camarines Sur. Are you ready to answer? Are you ready to answer, sir? Yes, you. Yes. You have no choice but to be ready anyway. So let's have our
Good luck.
usherette come off the stage, please. Ayan. So please select one. Wow. And you got hashtag number 9. That's hashtag Plantilla for Healthcare Professionals. May mga nag-react, but anyway, go ahead, sir.
Plantilla for healthcare professionals. Ito'y nagsasaad na hindi lamang pang-personal na interes, na kung saan napakagandang halimbawa o proyekto na pwedeng mangyari sa iba't ibang institusyon, na kung saan more manpower, more accessible to everybody. Kasi iba't iba man ang ating institusyon na pinanggalingan, iba't iba man ang ating hangarin, iisa lang ang gustong mangyari, lalong-lalo sa ating mga pasyente. Masirbihan ng tamang medikal, mabigyan ng tamang medikal na angkop sa kanilang pakakailangan. At lagi nating tandaan na ang buhay ay mahalaga. We are the agent to changing life, to the healthier nation. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 7. Let's now have your partner to join us over here.
We have our last 9 candidates. Hello, ma'am. Okay, so let's have your hashtag. That's hashtag number 7. Hashtag thrive, not survive.
Progress is one of the most powerful things in this ever-changing world. And thrive, not survive, is a form of self-love and love for others. We have to be intentional in taking care of our body, nourishing it physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And with that, we're being a good steward of the life that has been entrusted to us. Because we are created to thrive and not survive. At the end of the day, What we have and what we are is what we give to others. Thank you and God bless us all.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so
Female
much.
candidate number 7. And now we proceed with
Hi,
male candidate
number
number
8.
8.
Say hi to your supporters.
Good evening, everyone, especially to my DOH family.
Oh, DOH family pala to. Ready ka na?
I think I remember he was the one who shouted, ang doktor ng baryo.
Oh.
All right.
So, come over here. Ayan. So, please pick one. And our candidate number 8 got hashtag number 7, hashtag end vaccine hesitancy.
Good evening. I believe that fear kills faster than the disease. And I believe that vaccine hesitancy is deeply rooted in fear. And as a doctor to the barrio, it is my prime responsibility to fight misinformation. I explain and I listen. And every time a mother says yes to vaccine, that is a victory. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Natuwa ang mga doktor na nag-advocate for vaccination. Thank you so much. Now let's have our other candidate, candidate number 8.
Hi, ma'am. Would you like to say hi to your supporters?
Of course, marhay na banggi to our regional office, DOH Bicol CHD! Thank you for being here.
All right. This is your hashtag. It's number 8, hashtag empowered to heal.
Hashtag empowered to heal. As healthcare workers, before we become empowered, of course, we need to feel supported and safe. As a psychometrician working in the HR, we help people align with job descriptions that really matches their technical competencies, where they will feel confident, where they will feel they matter, where they will feel they can contribute to it. And of course, to empower or for our healthcare workers to feel empowered, they will always think of the betterment of the Filipino people, of our Bicolano people. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And I would like to call in male candidate number 9.
Hello, sir. You are from, and you can say hi to your supporters.
Good evening, everyone. I am from Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
All right, so let's have our usher come up the stage so you can pick your hashtag. And the hashtag you got is hashtag number 3. That is hashtag health professional integrity.
Hashtag health professional integrity. This hashtag is a foundation between trust, is a foundation of trust between caregivers, health workers, and our community. And I believe that integrity means doing what is right even when no one is watching. That is all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Again to our candidate number 9.
Hi, Nurse Dawn. Okay, would you like to say hi to those loud supporters right there?
Hello everyone. I feel very blessed. My family, my loved ones, and my home, BRHMC, are all here to support me. I hope I can make you guys proud. Thank you.
This is hashtag number 1, hashtag climate action for health.
Climate change is not just an environmental issue. It is a health crisis. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are experiencing right now are not just merely changes in weather. It's a warning. As the climate warms, we may face more health problems because the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe all depends on the environment that we must protect. As a nurse, I am not just a caretaker. I, together with each and every one else of us here, are caretakers of the Mother Earth. And when we protect the Mother Earth, we protect ourselves. Thank you and good evening.
Maraming salamat, Nurse Dawn.
Thank you so much.
We're down to our last 4 candidates.
Yes.
Now let's have male candidate number 10.
Hello, Doc. Can you say, ayan, time to say hi to your supporters over there.
Hello everyone. Thanks for supporting me, for being here, and I really appreciate you all, guys. I love you.
All right, so let's have our usher in, please. And our candidate number 10 got hashtag number 5. That's hashtag Vanguards of Planetary Health.
Hashtag Vanguards of Planetary Health. As a leader of a social civic organization, I have partnered with different environmental advocates such as Healthcare Without Harm. And together, we advocated for a greener hospital. Yes, hospital and healthcare professionals can greatly contribute in protecting our Earth. To name a few, we can use more sustainable hospital materials and use sustainable renewable energy such as solar panels. And I believe as a healthcare professional, we have a responsibility to also take care of this planet and to educate on how to protect our nature, because real change starts when we understand the impact of our action.
Right on time. Thank you so much, candidate number 10. Now, let's have... Na I love you-han lang kayo eh. Let's now have candidate number 10, female category.
All right. Would you like to say hi to your supporters tonight?
Of course, good evening from my supporters at PHO Sorsogon. Thank you for being here.
Now I guess she's ready to answer the question through the form of hashtag. This is hashtag number 9, hashtag Bida Solusyon.
Hashtag Bida Solusyon. This is an initiative that is started by the Department of Health in the Philippines that encourages every Filipino to be a hero against the fight for COVID-19. As a doctor, especially working at the ER, I have seen so many lives lost and so many lives affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So we should know that creating a safer environment and fighting against COVID-19 starts with us. It's not just in the hospital. So if we do safe practices like wearing a mask, washing our hands, maintaining a safe distance, and especially when we have respiratory symptoms, that we isolate and make sure that we don't spread the disease, then we don't just prevent COVID-19 but also other communicable diseases. And with this, we will be able to foster a healthier environment, a healthier Philippines. So bida, gawing bida ang iyong gawain para maging bida ang iyong kalusugan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Doc. Now we are down to our last two candidates. Let's have candidate number 11. Candidate number 11, this is your chance to say hi to your supporters.
Thank you for coming, 𝐬𝐚𝐥 family, lalong-lalo na kay Doc Asido and Ma'am Kay. Thank you so much.
All right, so there's one last hashtag, and it's for you alone. Let's see what that hashtag is. And you got hashtag number 1, hashtag building healthy nation.
Hashtag building healthy nation. Good health is a foundation to a thriving society. By prioritizing healthcare, we can actually unlock human potential, foster economic growth, and build a brighter future to all. Let's work together to create a quality healthcare. At this point of time, we need to be part of the solution, not a problem. Do it with kindness, compassion, and integrity as human being. I believe that we are blessed and grateful beyond measure. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.
And now we call
finally-
upon our final female candidate, number 11. Would you like to say hi to your friends out there?
First of all, good evening, Sorsogon. And I'd like to greet the panel of judges and to my 𝐬𝐚𝐥 family. Good evening. And to my family who came all the way from Ginubatan and Legao City. Good evening and thank you all for the support.
And I think our candidate number 11 is very much ready for the question. This is final hashtag number 11, hashtag strong, not skinny.
We are not defined by our weight because what's most important is that we feel comfortable in our own skin. We have to feel that we should not be conscious about our weight. Remember that true fitness is about discipline, power, and resilience. What's most important is that no matter what you feel, what is most important is that you feel comfortable in your own skin. You feel
Thank you so much. So there you have it. We've listened to all, how many are they? 21? Tama ba? 21 candidates. And yes, ayan. So I think we've heard them speak about what really matters in the health industry these days.
That reflects the realities of our society. And you know what? For most parts, I think I was just listening to a doctor giving advice to a patient when they answered the hashtag. And I think that shows how sincere they truly are, okay, in answering those hashtag questions.
And talking about things that matter, a while ago you've already watched the first half of the advocacies of our candidates. This time, please, again, turn your gaze on our LED screen as we show you the second half of their advocacies.
There are times in my season that I sabotage myself and I reflect to situation where I feel like I could do better. That's why I strive to improve my life holistically and unlearn things that is toxic from my journey. I am doing my part to grow so that I could also inspire and build healthier connection with others. I am advocating for self-empowerment because it starts from us. We have different battles and purposes, and for us to achieve success and create impact on humanity, we must fuel ourselves first. I am L'Oreal Lucena Maestrado, 24, representing 𝐸𝐨𝐚𝐥 Medical Mission Group Hospital and Health Cooperative.
Mental health awareness. As we see things differently and live life to our choices, let us foster support to those in the process of rehabilitation, because that is where therapeutic community really starts.
In a world full of distractions, we must be intentional in caring for our health and body. Let's take action, take control of our well-being, and live life in all its fullness.
The Universal Healthcare Act is more than legislation. It is a promise, a pledge that no Filipino is left behind. As a doctor to the barrio and DOH scholar, UHC is not only my advocacy, but my ordained path.
In the shadow of sorrow, our light still gleams. As a psychometrician of 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐴, I stand for your silent heroes, advocating mental health for those who heal others. I fight for the minds who care, proving that strength begins with empathy.
Cancer is not just a medical condition, it is a community concern. We must empower people with knowledge and push for equal access to cancer care. I will continue to fight for a future where cancer is not a sentence, but a story of survival.
I care for patients with chronic kidney disease, but beyond hospital walls, I believe in being on courts, championing wellness, encouraging physical activity, and showing our patients that life doesn't stop with a diagnosis.
Time matters. As a doctor and a leader, I bring hope where it's needed most, reaching every community with healthcare and education, so that no 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐺 is ever left behind.
The heart of my advocacy is the journey of care, to walk the extra mile, cross every river, and climb every hill, so that healthcare reaches every community in 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐺.
As a nurse from ZMIH, I advocate for the mental health of every healthcare worker. Behind every brave face is a battle unseen. Let's break the stigma, speak up, and care not just for others, because healing begins with us.
recognize and support the roles of the healthcare providers. Vitally, these frontliners accurately prepare and dispense medication in this community. We may be behind every patient's recovery, but with proper order, healing happens.
There you have it. That was the second part of the advocacies of our candidates.
They're truly inspiring, every one of them, right? And tonight, Mary Chris, there's just so much to be thankful about and so many people to give our thanks to.
Yes, of course, we'd like to thank the steering committee for the Bicol Regional Hospital Week 2025, of course, headed by the chairperson, Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempilio. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Hello, ma'am. I saw ma'am very proud when our candidates were answering. Mukhang gusto din ni ma'am mag-hashtag kanina eh.
She really was. And of course, we also would like to give thanks to Dr. Gladys Demdam Escote, the Medical Officer 5 of DOH 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐴𝐺.
And of course, to the members of the steering committee, we have Dr. Monray C. Isaiah Mancilia.
Maraming salamat po. Attorney Shena N. M. Belmonte of Bicol Center for Health Development.
We also have Dr. Eric N. Raborar.
Maraming salamat as well to Ronnie Gregorio B. Gigantoni III. Thank you very much, Doc.
Another member of the steering committee is Dr. Ramon C. Echano.
Also, thank you very much to Dr. Maria Lourdes M. Anson.
Also, member of the steering committee is Dr. Fulbert Alec R. Gallego.
We are also grateful to Dr. Renato B. Bolo Jr. Thanks, Doc.
And of course, we'd also like to say thank you to the Secretariat of the Technical Working Group, headed by Dr. Angela Maria B. Rempilio.
And Dr. Monica Dadia.
Ayan, hello po. Siyempre ang ating TWG with the chairperson, Dr. Roberto A. Chacon Jr.
Co-chaired by Dr. Maria Priscilla C. Fajardo.
We'd also like, of course, to say thank you to the members of the TWG. We have Attorney Danielle John D. Latchica.
We also have Aaron Joseph J. Carpio.
Also, Dr. Edric Ian G. Vargas.
Maraming salamat po, Dr. Luis Miguel L. Doloiras.
And finally, thank you, Dr. Diane Marie N. Toledo.
And of course, we won't let the night pass without ever acknowledging all the support that was shown and given by the different heads and representatives of all the hospitals in the Bicol region.
We'd like to say hi and acknowledge the presence of the head and representative of the Bicol Medical Center, Dr. Ronnie Gregorio B. Gigantoni III. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us this evening.
We also give thanks to Dr. Lady Ann T. Serrano and Dr. Michael D. Galan of Legazpi City Hospital. Maraming salamat.
From the Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center, we have with us Dr. Ramon C. Echano Jr.
From the Allied Care Experts Medical Center, Legazpi Incorporated, Dr. Melvin G. Berin.
Meanwhile, from DOH Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, we have Dr. Fulbert Alec R. Gallego.
We're also very much thankful to the head of Sorsogon Medical Mission Group Hospital, Dr. Alvin Cledera and Dr. Verdi Joy Gamad.
From DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, we have with us Dr. Maria Lourdes M. Anson.
Thanks as well to the head of DOH 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐴𝐺, Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempilio and Dr. Gladys S. Demdam Escote.
Of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the head of the Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center, Dr. Eric Raymond Raborar.
Maraming salamat as well to Dr. Renato Bolo Jr., the Provincial Health Officer 2 of the Provincial Health Office of Sorsogon.
Representing the Zone Medical Intervention Hospital, we have Mr. Aaron J. Salapare.
Also representing Santa Maria Josefa Hospital Foundation, Incorporated, Dr. Nestor F. Santiago.
From Chacon General Hospital, kasama natin si Dr. Alberto Abet Chacon.
Also would like to thank Dr. Kem Perez, CEO of Metro Health Specialist Hospital Incorporated.
And finally, the representative of PhilHealth Region 5, kasama po natin si Ma'am Maria Cristina A. Laraya. Palakpakan po natin siya. And of course, to everyone who are present here to represent your hospitals, it means so much, syempre, hindi lamang, syempre, sure ako sa organizers, it means so much that you guys are here, but more importantly, sa ating mga candidates, your support and your mere presence really would add up to the confidence that they have.
That is right. So maraming salamat. And may the Lord bless you and keep you, especially on your way back home tonight.
And talking about showing off the candidates' confidence, eto na. What you have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our candidates in their long gown and formal attire.
Listen, I'll take you on a dream with me. I'm free to be a fantasy, sweat dripping on me. Tell me, but do you wanna take it easy? Or do you want me to sip your energy, go crazy? Tell me, do you bite? 'Cause I don't want you to fight it. Come and grab it, come after me. Fur and feather feels like bad weather when I see you. Damn, I wanna be with you. Touch me like it's winter. I'll cover you all over, whatever you want to. Damn, that's what I'll do. I wanna be with you. Do you wanna run away? I'm free to be a runaway. Let you walk all over me. Baby, when it's my turn, you're gonna have to beg for it. Shh, say pretty please. Tell me, do you bite? 'Cause I don't want you to fight it. Come and grab it. Come after me. Fur and feather feels like bad weather when I see you. Damn, I wanna be with you. Touch me like it's winter. I'll cover you all over, whatever you want to. Damn, that's what I'll do. I wanna be with you. Oh, baby, the way your eyes glance at me, we're down to be what we thought would never be. Lately, you're all that I ever dreamed. Skin to skin, your smile's taking over my memory. Fur and feather feels like bad weather when I see you. Damn, I wanna be with you. Touch me like it's winter. I'll cover you all over, whatever you want to. That's what I'll do. thought would never be. Lately, you're all that I ever dreamed. Skin to skin, your smile's taking over my memory. Your smile's taking over my memory. in your smile, taking over my memory. Feels like better weather when I see you. I wanna be with you. Touch me like it's winter. I'll cover you all over. Whatever you want to, that's what I'll do. I wanna be with you. That's what I'll do. I wanna be with you. Sweat dripping on me. Tell me. Your energy go crazy. 'Cause I don't want you if I could come and grab you, come up to me.
There you have it. Our candidates are beautiful and elegant indeed in their formal and long gowns.
Aren't they all stunning and gorgeous in their formal attire and
Yes,
and
indeed.
long gown, Akis?
All right. This pageant is almost coming to an end, and right after this, we'll be giving away the second set of minor awards, and we'll also be announcing the top 3 candidates. But
That's right.
before that, let's first announce the criteria for judging.
All right, Akis, this is the criteria for judging for the attire segments. That's for the athletic attire, hospital uniform, and long gown and formal wear. That's poise and bearing, 40%, suitability and physique, 30%, stage presence, 20%, and creativity, 10%, for a total of 100%.
But of course, other than the different exposures of our candidates, they will also be judged based on the preliminary Q&A that we had a while ago. And ladies and gentlemen, our top 3 will be selected based on these particular criteria. So, for the preliminary Q&A and the top 3 selection, our criteria are as follows. We have content, 40%, wit and confidence, 30%, physique, 20%, and overall impact, 10%.
For a total of 100%.
100%.
And a little later, we will be having the final question and answer portion. And that will be judged with the following criteria. Content, 40%, delivery, 30%, confidence and presence, 20%, and overall impact, 10%, for a total of, again, 100%.
All right. So I hope you guys now know how you guys were judged during your exposures and how you were judged during your preliminary Q&A. And we just can't wait to name who our top 3 candidates are. But before that, let's first have our second set of minor awards.
Right. So I have here the results already of the best in sports attire. I think I want some drum roll.
Very secured ang result.
It's glued, actually. All right. So let's begin with the best in sports attire for the male category. Ladies and gentlemen, the best in sports attire for the male goes to candidate number 3. As far as I can remember, he was the one who wore the boxing gear, something like that. He was a boxer in that segment. Congratulations, candidate number 3. And now, the best in sports attire among the female candidates is none other than... Who do you think is it? It's female candidate number 9. Congratulations to our female candidate number 9 for bagging the best in sports attire.
Once more, congratulations to the winners of our Best in Sports Attire. We have candidate number 9 for the female and candidate number 3 for the male. Again, a big round of applause, please. Congratulations as well. Now, moving on, allow me to name our Best in Hospital Attire. So, who do you think wore their uniform best? Eto na, let us name our Best in Hospital Attire. Male category. We have candidate number...
Who?
Candidate number 1. Again, a big congratulations to our candidate number 1. This time for the female category, our Best in Hospital Attire is candidate number
what?
Drum rolls. Candidate number 6. Again, congratulations to male candidate number 1 and female candidate number 6 for winning the Best in Uniform or
And
Best
at
in
this
Hospital
juncture,
Attire.
We're actually still waiting for the results for the Best in Long Gown and Formal Wear.
And I'm pretty sure indeed that the judges are finding it difficult to select the best among our candidates in their formal attire and long gown because they all look fabulous.
Right.
And talking about the judges, again, we say hi and we say thank you to the members of the Board of Judges, of course, for joining us this evening and for gracing us with your time and expertise. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga hurado.
Thank you so much, dear judges.
And of course, again, we'd like to announce that all these exposures we're only awarding the best in all exposures, but none of these will lead them to becoming part of our top 3. The only one that will be considered sa ating top 3 candidates ay ang kanilang kasagutan sa nagawang preliminary Q&A.
The hashtag questions. Right.
Yes. Nako, we have 11 from among the males and 10 from among the ladies. Baliktad. 11 from among the ladies and 10 from among the males. And I'm pretty sure it's very difficult to be naming kung sino yung top 3 lang.
That's right.
Hindi pa yung
Actually,
top
all
11.
of these beautiful ladies and dashing gentlemen gave our judges the hardest time tonight. It's not as easy as everybody thinks it is to actually be judging these equally beautiful and handsome candidates.
Absolutely. But you know what? Them being able to represent their own hospitals or their hospitals is already a great win, a big win for all these candidates. And for that, palakpakan naman po natin lahat ng ating mga candidates on stage right now. Dahil hindi nilang nila binitbit yung kanilang mga sarili bilang mga medical professionals, bitbit din po nila ang inyong mga hospital sa entabladong ito. At maliban pa dyan, bit-bit din po nila ang kanilang mga advokasya bilang mga professional health workers. And for that, gaya nga ng sabi ko, not everyone is being given a platform to actually, talk about what matters to you as a professional health worker.
And isn't it a beautiful way to actually make known these hospitals? Because not everybody actually knows what hospitals there actually are in the Bicol region. And for this event tonight, we have been aware the existence of all these hospitals across the Bicol region.
Other than that, syempre, this is a big break ito dun sa mga tiring rounds na ginagawa ng ating mga medical health professionals. And tonight is indeed a night to show that you don't just have the heart to serve people, but you also have the beauty to showcase to the world, as well as the intelligence and voice to inspire people.
Right.
Now we have the result. Come over here. Ayn.
Are you excited to hear the winners for our long gown and formal wear? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are now holding the results of the judging for the best informal attire and long gown. We'll start off with the male category. The best informal attire is no other than male candidate number 10. Congratulations. And of course, we'll be awarding the one that shines the brightest among those wearing the long gowns, and that is no other than female candidate number 9.
Congratulations to our winners for Best in Long Gown and Formal Attire. Nako, kinakabahan na ako, Glenn, because up next, we will already be announcing our top 3 candidates. At gaya ng sabi ko kanina, it's so difficult to choose from all 11 candidates sa ating mga kalalakihan and 10 candidates from among the females. But then again, this is a competition, so we'll have to name our top 3 based on their preliminary question and answer portion. Huy.
Alone, yes.
So eto na, papangalanan ko na po ang ating top 3 male candidates in no particular order. Ang tatlong kalalakihan who made it to our top 3 are male candidate number 9. Male candidate number 9.
Sorry, that's number 9. 9. We're very sorry for that. 9. That was clearly said. 9.
Up next, we have male candidate number 8. And finally, completing our top 3 male candidates, we have male candidate number 10.
Congratulations once more to our top 3 male candidates. Candidate numbers 9, 8, and 10. And now, the question remains, who do you think shone the brightest and has shown the most brilliance during the Q&A in our top 3 female category? That, ladies and gentlemen, our top 3 candidates for the female category are candidate number 8. Candidate number 9. And completing our top 3 candidates, congratulations, you made it to our top 3 candidate number 10.
Congratulations to our top 3 candidates. But again, let's give a big round of applause to the remaining candidates for doing so well in all their exposures. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. That was a very tough announcement, Glenn. But as I have said, for the top 3, they were selected based on the preliminary Q&A. And I guess we have to agree that these 6 candidates really did well during the Q&A. All right, now we shall be moving on with the final question and answer portion. And for this particular round, Glenn, our 5 candidates will be led to an isolation room.
Right there.
Because there will only be 1 question for everybody to answer. All right? And please do not worry because the isolation room is indeed an isolation room and the candidate, while they're in there, won't be able to hear the answers or even the questions for this final Q&A.
Yeah, we've tested that out and we are very much sure about that no one could ever hear what's happening or what is the question about during this round.
All right. So it's time to give the final question to our first candidate for the male category. I think our first candidate for the male, candidate number 9, is now ready to answer the question. Do let us know if the other candidates are in their isolation rooms already.
Are we clear? Okay.
So hello, again, candidate number 9. This is the final question and answer portion. But before that, first off, congratulations for making it to the top 3. I'm pretty sure that your hospital is proud of you. Sige, final words before ang final question. Final words para sa mga kasame mong hospital na nandito pa ngayon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for BRHMC for trusting me in here. Thank you guys for the support. I really love you all.
Alright, so medyo nerve-wracking itong gagawin nating question and answer portion because again, there will only be one question for all the male candidates and another one question for all the female candidates. And I guess we're ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Again, wala kang choice but to be ready. So allow me to read I will be reading the question twice for you. And here is the question. If you could be any hospital equipment, what would it be and why? Again, if you could be any hospital equipment, what would it be and why?
Thank you so much for that question. Well, my answer for that, if I would be a hospital equipment, I would definitely be a hospital defibrillator. I really believe that as a nurse, I believe in second chances. And as part of my advocacy and mental health, and I really believe in second chances. So I believe in second chances, so I would definitely end my answer with, it's not too late to start again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 9. You may rest for a while as we call the next candidate. From the male.
We still have a male candidate.
We have candidate number 8.
Before we ask our male candidate number 8, okay, what was it like inside?
There was some music playing loudly, so really cannot concentrate our thoughts.
All right, but again, congratulations for making it to the top 3. Are you ready to answer your final question?
I am.
You are ready, and so the question is, if you could be any hospital equipment, what would it be and why? Again, if you could be any hospital equipment, what would it be and why?
If I can be an hospital equipment, I would be an oxygen tank. Because oxygen gives life for us Filipinos, for every patient who needs and requires oxygen in order for them to survive. So I will become an oxygen tank in order for me to save people's life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I bet he's from 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐢𝐴 Ayan. And finally, let's have our last male candidate. Candidate number 10, can you let us know how it feels to be part of the top 3?
Well, I really felt grateful, and since this is my first time, I really can't believe I was able to reach this far. But without those supporters who supported me throughout the way, I won't be here, so I'm very thankful to all of you.
All right, another I love you to your supporters.
I love you, everyone!
All right, anyway, here is your final question. If you could be any hospital equipment, what would it be and why? Again, if you could be any hospital equipment, what would it be and why?
Well, I would be a spotlight, but not to illuminate myself, though I'm already illuminating, but to give light to those neglected and marginalized people, such as those patients who lack access to health care. I believe our leaders can look into the public health here in Sorsogon when we have Kalusugan program where we reach those patients and give them quality health care. And I believe if we share this program among our regions, there will be no Bicolano patients left behind.
Thank you so much to our candidate number 10.
We've just heard all the beautiful questions and answers, rather, of our male candidates. And it's our beautiful ladies' time to shine in the final question and answer portion.
So let's have our first candidate for the female category to please join us on stage. Glenn holds the question that you guys will be answering.
Hello, ma'am. How do you feel now that you're part of the top 3?
I'm just very thankful for everything, and I'm happy that I made my DOH family proud.
All right, so this is your question. What healthy habit do you practice daily, and how has it improved your life? Again, what healthy habit do you practice daily, and how has it improved your life?
It may seem silly for everyone, but every day as soon as I arrive from work, I really make sure that I wash my hands. It's a reminder actually from my late mother, who is up in heaven right now supporting me. And with that simple act, I know that I am doing my best to not spread viruses or dirty acts. And that simple act alone, I know is already a big help towards having a healthy life. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And now we would like to call in our next candidate. All right, so the same question will be asked. What healthy habit do you practice daily, and how has it improved your life? Again, what healthy habit do you practice daily, and how has it improved your life?
Movement. This is the practice, this is the habit that I practice daily. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that we can promote healthy habits by simply leading as an example. It starts within ourselves. I know that most of us here as are medical professionals, and we are our patients' role models. It starts within ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, let us promote healthy habits by leading as an example, because Ladies and gentlemen, because a healthier nation begins with healthy individuals who practice healthy habits. Thank you and good evening.
Maraming salamat po. Candidate number 9. And now we're down to our last candidate.
This is the last from among our finalists.
Hi, Doc.
Hello po.
Any message that you'd like to give to your supporters out there?
Again, I want to thank you all for being here. You guys empower me, and I'm glad to represent 𝐸∫𝐸∫𝐸∫𝐸.
All right, are we ready for the question?
Yes.
Your question is, what healthy habit do you practice daily, and how has it improved your life?
Oh, this is a very timely question because as a healthcare worker, in our line of work, sometimes we compromise our health just to serve others, but that should not be the case. So one of the healthy habits that I practice every day is maintaining good hydration. Especially when working in the ER, sometimes we don't have time to eat. So I make sure that I drink water at the start and end of the day and in between my duties, because when I hydrate, I maintain my cognitive function and my physical stamina so that I serve my patients properly. Because in healthcare, you have to take care of yourself first before you are able to properly serve others. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Wow.
Now
I'm really excited to hear the results.
I am too. But before that, by the way, we'd like to acknowledge as well our head choreographer, Mr. Charlie F. Hemperoso, and his team. Maraming salamat
Thank you.
po. All right, now we've heard all 6 finalists, and now it's up to our judges to select the best from among them, and whoever will be crowned this year's Mr. and Ms. Bicol Regional Hospital definitely will definitely be representing Bicol Region's healthcare professionals really well. But before that, Glenn,
Yes, Aki.
we will be listening to the message coming from the RHP, from the Provincial Health Office of Sorsogon Field Health Service Division, a TWG member for the Bicol Regional Hospital. He is currently the Health Promotion and Family Health Cluster Lead of the Sorsogon Provincial Health Office Field Health Services Division. Former Section Chief Designate of the International Health Surveillance Division of the Department of Health Bureau of Quarantine, the focal person of DOH, and one of the people behind the development of the e-travel platform of DICT eGov.ph, former physician of the Ayala Health Family Doc Clinics Quezon City Cluster. Ladies and gentlemen, to give his message, let us give a round of applause to Dr. Luis Miguel L. Doloiras.
Marahin na banggi sa Indugabos. As we bring this remarkable night to a close, I would like to thank all of you for being part of this meaningful celebration. Tonight's Mr. and Miss Hospital Week coronation is not merely a pageant. It is a symbolic tribute to the very heart of our Hospital Week celebration. In the spirit of this year's theme, On Call, On Courts, Onwards, our Mr. and Miss Hospital Week represent more than beauty, talent, and poise. They embody the best of who we are as a hospital community, dedicated professionals who rise to every call, who foster unity and wellness beyond the hospital walls, and who continue to move forward with courage and purpose. This event is a reminder that healthcare is not only about clinical excellence, it's also about humanity, teamwork, and resilience. Our candidates come from different departments, but tonight, they stood on one stage, united by a common goal: to represent the passion and pride of our institution. The soon-to-be crowned Mr. and Miss Hospital Week will be our new ambassadors, not just for this event, but until the next year's Regional Hospital Week. They will carry with them the values of service, sportsmanship, and progress, inspiring others to lead with both heart and humility. To all our candidates, you have each brought pride to your respective teams. Your participation has added color, depth, and meaning to this week's celebration. And to our soon-to-be winners, advance congratulations. You carry not just titles, but the responsibility to the role models of professionalism, unity, and excellence. To our hard-working organizers, production teams, judges, and of course, our supportive audience, thank you for making this night truly unforgettable. And to our reigning Mr. and Miss Hospital Week, thank you for wearing the crown with honor and dignity. May you continue to shine and embody the spirit of service with the heart. As we continue with the rest of our Hospital Week, may we all be reminded of what this celebration stands for: that whether we are on call, on courts, or moving onwards, we do so as a family, committed to healing, serving, and growing together. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, the final walk of Mr. and Miss Bicol Regional Hospital 2024.
Our Mr. Hospital Week 2024 finalist Agustin Messina from 𝐑𝐞𝐠𝐲𝐸.
As I stand before you today, my heart is filled with gratitude, memories, and with a quiet joy of knowing that this chapter of my life has meant something. Being crowned Mr. Bicol Regional Hospital 2024 was never just about the title. It was a calling, a platform I used to echo the voice of my advocacy, preventive medicine, and community health. I knew from the start that real impact begins not in grand speeches, but in small acts, in health teachings in underserved barangays, in listening to those often unheard, and in mobilizing our community through donation drives that serve not just bodies but also spirits. Throughout my journey, I've learned that the most powerful medicine isn't always found in prescriptions or procedures. Sometimes, it's in our presence, in the gentle reassurance that someone cares, that someone sees you, hears you, and chooses to stay. I became a doctor because I wanted to serve. But what I didn't expect was how deeply I would be changed by every patient I met. Their stories, their courage, their trust, they made me softer, stronger, and more human. And so wherever I go, whether in the halls of a hospital or the quiet corners of a community, I will carry this truth, that healing begins not just with skill, but with heart. To God, who has been my light even in uncertain steps, thank you for guiding me the strength to serve. To my family, who believed in me when I was still finding my voice, this crown is as much yours as it was mine. To my Kalusugan Gida family, thank you for embodying service with no boundaries. To my friends who reminded me to rest, laugh, and stay grounded, salamat sa walang sawang suporta. And to the Provincial Health Office of Sorsogon, thank you for giving me the space to grow, to serve, and to lead with a heart. As I pass on this crown, I'm not letting go of the mission. I am simply placing the spotlight on the next bearer of purpose, to the next Mr. Bicol Regional Hospital. Wear this title with pride, but more importantly, wear it with service. Let's continue building a healthier, kinder, and more empowered community, one barangay at a time. Sa muli, maraming salamat po. This is not a goodbye, but this is see you in the next mission.
I am honored to stand before you as Miss Regional Hospital Week 2024, a daughter of BRHMC, the hospital where I was born and where I began my journey as a young, inexperienced nurse with hopeful eyes and trembling hands.
Throughout this journey, I had the privilege of representing BRHMC not only in the pageant but also as a swimmer and volleyball player. Yet even as I competed, I was not playing against anyone. I was playing with everyone in the spirit of camaraderie, respect, and unity. This celebration was never about who stood out the most. It was about the spirit of togetherness, resilience, and a quiet heroism that defines every healthcare worker in the Bicol region. This is for every nurse, doctor, and healthcare workers who missed a meal to respond to a code, who stayed behind while their family celebrated at home, and who chose to serve even on the days they felt tired, unseen, or unheard. You are the heart of this celebration. Though we wear different uniforms and serve in different hospitals, we are one family, bound by compassion, purpose, and the will to care. To the Regional Hospital Week organization, BRHMC family, GLAM team, supporters, and friends, thank you for your trust and support. And to every healthcare institution here today, thank you for showing me that this crown was never just mine. It belonged to all of us. To the next queen, lead with humility, stay grounded in service, and carry this title with pride, not just on your head, but in your heart. Maraming salamat po. I am Miki Sugimoto Santiago, your Miss Regional Hospital Week 2024.
Again, thank you so much to our reigning queen and king. This time, we'd like to invite all our candidates to be back on stage with us. All of them. And again, let's give them a big round of applause, please. Once more, a big round of applause to all our candidates who are now up on stage with us at nandito na. Of course, again, all of them are worthy representatives of the hospitals they represent. And again, congratulations.
Holding the results of this year's Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025.
Why am I getting jitters? Ayan, so napakahirap mag-announce pag mga ganito talaga. Pero gaya nga ng sabi natin, tapos na ang mga hurado ng kanilang resulta. Nandito naman sa amin ang mahirap na trabaho, ang pag-announce ng ating mga winners. Now that we have all our candidates on stage, let's now call our top 6 candidates, please. Again, let's give a round of applause to our top 6 candidates for Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025. Our second runner-up for Mr. Hospital Week 2025. And to give the awards, we'd like to call in Dr. Angela Maria B. Rempilio, Medical Officer 4 of the Department of Health, Bicol Center for Health Development, Attorney Shena Ann M. Belmonte, Attorney 3, Vice Chairperson for Salud Bicol Noon Sports Committee, DOH-CHD, and Dr. Diane Marie Toledo, TWG member for the Regional Hospital Week 2025. Our second runner-up, male category, is
number 9. Congratulations, you are the second runner-up. To award the second runner-up, would like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Ramon C. Echano, Medical Center Chief 1 of the Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. Dr. Luis Miguel L. Doloiras, TWG member of the Regional Hospital Week 2025. And Dr. Cherry J. Cambaliza, Chairman of the Department of Internal Medicine, Metro Health Specialists Hospital. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up for the female category is none other than candidate number 9. So both candidate numbers 9 are our second runners-up.
Again, congratulations to our candidates number 9. Our second runner-up for Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025. Moving on, we shall be awarding our first runners-up, which means automatically the number or the candidate who will not be calling is or are our Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025. To give the award to our first runner-up, Mr. Hospital Week 2025, we'd like to request the presence of Dr. Maria Priscila Fajardo, Division Chief Field Health Services Division, Dr. Monray Isaiah C. Mancilia, Medical Officer 4 and Chairperson for Salud Bicol Non-Sports Committee, DOH and CHD, and one of our Board of Judges, Ms. Japs P. Calios, District Executive Secretary of the Rotary International District 3820. And our first runner-up for Mr. Hospital Week 2025. Is candidate. I'm not sure. Candidate number 8. We'll be giving time for a Mr. and Miss for their crowning glory this time. Wait over there because we will be crowning our first runners-up.
To award the first runner-up for the female category, would like to have the presence Dr. Eric N. Raburar, Medical Center Chief 2 of Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Dr. Roberto A. Chacon Jr., Provincial Health Officer 1, and Mr. Edgar Balasta, Regional Marketing Head of CCDI Bicol and Administrator. Our first runner-up for the female category is none other than candidate number 8.
But before that, tawagin ko po ang magbibigay ng parangal sa ating Mr. Hospital Week 2025. We have Dr. Gladys S. Demdam Escote, Medical Officer 5 of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development, Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempilio, OSC Director 4 of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development, and Honorable Tess H. Gonzalez, City Councilor of East District, Sorsogon City.
And we also would love to call in those respected people who will be awarding Miss Bicol Regional Hospital. Director Herbie B. Aguas, the Regional Director of Region 5 Department of Tourism. Dr. Renato Bolo Jr., the Provincial Health Officer 2 of Sorsogon. And Dr. Ronnie Gregorio B. Gigantone III, Medical Center Chief of Bicol Medical Center.
So please step forward, our Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025
Candidates number 10.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else.
Again, congratulations to our winners. Of course, joining our presenters are our reigning queen and king, our Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2024.
Thank you very much for your presence.
To crown our new king and new queen.
It's been 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. Still believe.
And again, a big thank you to all our Board of Judges. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong gabi. Sa lahat ng mga hospital at mga professional medical health workers natin from all over the Bicol region. Maraming salamat and congratulations for a successful Hospital Week this year. Maraming salamat sa TWG, Kuya Cha, our head choreographer, and your team. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
I guess we'll be giving time for some photo ops, so we'd like to invite the rest of our judges to please join our winners and our candidates on stage for a quick pictorial.
And I think their supporters, their families would also love to have a photo op with our winners. Thank you so much. Once more to all the supporters, maraming salamat po.
Yes po, and keep safe sa inyong pag-uwi because this is the end, actually, Glenn, of the Bicol Regional Hospital Week. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta sa Gayon syudad ng Sorsogon, and of course, to the beautiful province of Sorsogon where beauty is everywhere, of course. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, everyone.
And of course, I would like to thank Barbie right over here for my hair and makeup. Thank you so much. And for the earrings too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ambit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po again sa inyong lahat. And may the good Lord send His holy angels to guide and protect you on your way back home tonight.
Yes, sulong sa ating mga health professionals ng Bicol Region. Maraming salamat po sa inyong serbisyo at nawa magpatuloy kayo sa inyong paglilingkod sa ating bayan. Thank you so much. This has been your host. I am your host, Akis.
And I am Glenn. Thank you and mabuhay ang mga Bicolano healthcare providers. Maraming salamat po and have a good night tonight.